Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the keyboard shortcut settings on your Chromebook. So meaning if you tap the Alt key on your keyboard, it would normally have the Alt key function, as well as like the backspace key. If you press the backspace, it would do what normally the backspace key would do. But let's say you want to swap that and you want to make the backspace do what the Alt key did, or the Alt key do what the backspace did. Just as a very basic example, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust that. So we're going to go about doing this by opening up the clock up down in the bottom right corner of the taskbar. Go ahead and left click on that, and then select the setting icon. So go ahead and left click on it. Select the main menu icon in the top left corner. It's three horizontal lines all stacked one on top of the other. Go ahead and select that by left clicking on it, and then you want to select where it says device. Select keyboard. So here you go, guys. You have all your basic keyboard shortcuts right here. So you can see the search key would be initiated by the search button on your keyboard, and you can see you have different options here, anywhere from selecting a different key to selecting the disabled button. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. You can customize it as you see fit. So again, pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.